Okay, now we will introduce the pico laser, okay? This is the water cup for ejecting water, okay? And the key for the machine, and the shelf for the working handle, and two glasses for protecting eyes, and the replace heads for the working handle, and the full switch. Okay, before using this machine, we have to inject full water inside, okay? This is the water inlet hole, water outlet hole, and the air outlet hole. Okay, there are two holes. And when we want to inject the water, we have to insert two holes. One is the water inlet hole. Okay, press the silver button, make sure the tip is up, then insert the water cup. And another hole we should insert to the air outlet hole. Then when the water inside is full, it will come out from the air outlet hole, okay? And now we inject the water. Okay, when you don't want to use this machine anymore, we have to release the water inside, okay? We just need to take out this spare part, press, okay? The same operation, press, take out, and then use this spare part, insert to the water outlet hole. Then the water will come out from the machine. Okay, next step, we will install the full switch. Okay, just need to match the hole, press. Finally, tie it. Okay, next step, we will install the shelf for the working handle. We just need to put the shelf this part, and then tie the working handle and the tube. Make sure. Okay. Make sure it is tightened. That is okay. Okay, next step, we will turn on the machine. Okay, just need to turn this emergency button, and the next step, turn this key. You can choose the languages. Okay, here we find that you can adjust the frequency, energy, okay, adjust or increase or decrease, the same operation. And here is the count for your reference. And the water temperature, alarm temperature. After setting, just press start. This is the emergency button. And turn on the key and choose the language. First one is the frequency adjustment, and the second one is the emergency energy button, and aimed button, and press start button. And there are total 5 pieces working heads for replacement, and some of them invasive and some of them non-invasive. And black, this one is for black and blue spots. And this one, suitable yellow, and the other colors spots. And you can choose them according to your client's real situation. And this one is for skin rejuvenation and freckle remove. Now we insert the working heads. We should not shooting at the eye of the people. Now we adjust the energy and start the treatment. You can find the red spot, aiming at the treatment part, and press the full switch.
Now we can adjust the frequency to a higher level according to the situation. This is for skin rejuvenation. When the skin turns a little red, that will be finished, that we can finish the treatment. You can ask the patient's feeling during the treatment. If he or she can accept, we can increase the power step by step. Okay, you can see some red. The skin turned red. This is the second time. The energy we adjust to 1000. After this treatment, you can use some marks for recovering the skin. Okay, we should turn off the machine and change another new working hat. Okay, you can see the skin, check the skin, and then change another suitable working hat for the treatment. Don't shooting at the eyes during the treatment. Make sure it is safe. Okay, check the energy and the frequency. Adjust them to a lower level. Start from a lower level. Okay, start from 700. Okay, then press the full switch. You can see the red light and aiming at the spots. Okay, you can see the skin turn a little white. Then go on the treatment, continue the treatment. We must shooting at and at a distance, make sure it is 3 to 5 cm. You should wear the glass for protecting the eyes. Make sure it is shooting at the right position, okay? You can see the red spot. Please make sure the patient don't move during the treatment. Okay, you can see the result. This machine can solve many skin problems. You should choose the working heads according to the skin situation. Okay, you can see the skin turn white. That will be okay. These are okay. Okay, now we change another new working hats. Okay, this is painless treatment. We can move faster than before.